Here's a day trip I made to Cle Elum Reservoir, fishing for lake trout. And this really scenic lake has good beach access on the south end for kayaks and small boats. I'll troll between 1 and 2.5 miles an hour for these fish, typically. Um, I'm running a lead core, so anywhere from 15 to 45 feet down. Looks like I hooked up. Doesn't feel very big. Look at that thing. I'd be tired by now. Little Coke. And man, I thought I was gonna draw a blank on the lake trout, but I kept at it for another, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours with no fish, not even a tap. Got one. Feels like a laker. People say they don't fight, but they actually do. If you pull them up from 200 feet on a downrigger, they don't fight as much. This is a laker, I can see it. Color now. Taking line. Yeah, they say these fish don't fight. That's because they're dumbasses. They catch them in 200 feet of water. This guy I fished with told me that. He never got one off a kayak. And he is very persistent. I can see him down there. Hopefully I don't lose him. He's taking line. You hear that? That's him taking line. I'm thumbing it pretty good too. This is a good fish. He's close again. He's thumping. He's taking line again. Fit in my net. He doesn't like the net. He knows what's up. See that? That didn't fit in my net. Look at the big one. This thing, this is a chunky ass one. Not on the water. This motherfucker's alive. People say they don't fight. Yeah, that's a nice one. Very chunky. That. It's fucking cold. Start the season off with this thing's gotta be 9 pounds. Give me about a 10-minute fight or so. Here's the lure I caught him on. It's all stuck up in my net. Little Cleo spoon. One of the smallest sizes in about 40 feet of water or so. No more than 45. Hey, what happened to you? He's still twitching.